part type comma given date, right? So this is the syntax. Clear? So till this yesterday we have learned, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So any disturbance, any lagging, okay, when I speak, okay, let me know. Okay, we can cancel the class. Okay, right. So we are going to display the system date and time. What is the function we supposed to use?
Get.
Get date. Okay, so by using this get date function, we can display the system date and the time. So in the system, so today date is 22nd October 2023, 8:21. So the same date it will display, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me use a select and then use this get date function. Okay, so please see the output. As per the system, it is displaying the date and time. So now we are going to use to display the current year, just year number. What is the function we supposed to use? Date part of YYY comma. I am using this get date function.
Get date.
So what would be the output for this query?
2023.
2023, right? Suppose if I change the part type as then what is the output?
Month will
Month.
be
10.
You will get a month number is 10. Okay, right. So next, if I put DD, then
date will be
23.
We'll get the date.
22, 22. Okay, next, if I put HH, then
Hours.
Hmm?
08.
08. So 08 means MI means minutes. Okay, so 23 minutes. Okay, next, if we put SS, seconds, correct?
20 seconds. Yes, sir.
Okay, next, if I put MS, then milliseconds, right? Okay, next, if I put QQ,
Quarter of
what is the quarter number of today date?
4.
4.
4. Okay, so next, if I put DW, then
29.
DW, day of week. Week will be having the 7 days. Week is begins with today, right? Week
Yes,
is
sir.
beginning with today, right? So Sunday. So today is Sunday. So it is 1, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me if I use DY, then what is the output?
Day of the year.
Day of year. Out of 365 or 366 days, so it will display today day number in the year. Okay, sir. Next, I am putting WK. Then what is the output?
Week of the year.
Okay, so week number out of 52 or 53 weeks, correct?
Yes.
Okay, right. So now you are clear about all the part types. Okay, can you tell me if I use a date part function, what is the data type of output? Integer, very good. Okay, so that one you should remember always. Okay, the data type of the output for this function is integer. So you will need to remember it. Okay, because we are going to use it frequently. Okay, so clear or not clear? Okay, so how many part types? How many part types?
11, sir.
11 part types. Okay, so you will need to write 11 queries along with the output. Can you try now in your system? Please complete it. And please try minimum 11 examples, okay, using the date part function. So first you do one thing, okay, date part side heading, okay. I think you have completed syntax, right, yesterday, or you didn't? Hello?
Yesterday done.
Did you complete the definition?
Definition and syntax both are come.
Okay, do one thing. You just put side heading date part function and then write down the description. It is used to extract the required part from the given date. Just write down the description about the date part function. It is used to extract the required part from the given date. And then you please write down the syntax. Syntax is completed, sir. So part type means you have to write down the possible part types. What are the possible part types, sir? These are the possible part types, correct? Hello. Next.
Yes, sir.
Also, please write down what is the use of getDate function. In your notebook, you just write down in detail, okay? It's used to display system, date, and time, correct? Okay, you have to write down the queries. Done, sir. Completed, sir. Hello.
Completed. Done, sir.
Okay. Can we go for next function called date add? Next functions are date add. Okay. By using this date add function, we can add a number or subtract a number for the given date. Okay. You can take any date as a input. Okay. You can take any data as input and you need to mention how much you have to subtract or how much you have to add for that date. Okay. So for example, I am going to take some customized date. Let's say 2023 05 20. So basically it is a 2023 May 20, correct? For this date, I want to subtract 2 days. Then what would be the output? May 18th, correct? If I add 2 days, then what would be the output?
22.
22. Suppose if I add 1 month, if I add 1
June
month for this
20th.
particular date, June 20. If I
June
add 1
20.
year, then 2024 May 20, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can write down the syntax for using the date add. Let me write down date add of, okay, part type. In which part type you are going to add? Clear or not clear? In which part type you are going to add? Okay, number. So integer. Okay, next date. Okay, so integer means you can mention a positive number, you can mention a negative number, you can mention a 0, right? In which part type you are going to add or subtract, that part type you must mention. Okay, so let's try one example. Select. What is the function we are trying to learn? Date add.
Date add.
Okay, so we will write, okay, part type as okay, then I am going to put -1, then I am going to put get date. So please tell me, sir, what is the output of this query? So what is the given date? Today date. So get date means system date. System date is nothing but a today date, correct? So 2023 October 22nd. So from the October 22nd, 2023. Okay, from the today date, if we subtract 1 month, then what is the output?
August 22nd, sir.
Okay, if you
Sorry,
subtract
full-
1 month from October, then it will be a September, right?
September, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so clear? Okay, instead of if I put DD, then what is the output?
21st October 20.
Okay, it means you are subtracting 1 day from today. So you will get yesterday date, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so now you are clear. Suppose, okay, if I put hour.
7:35.
So right now in my system 8:35, it should be
7:35.
okay. Suppose if I remove minus, if I put just 1, then 9:35. So you are clear, right? So okay, now you tell me, if I use a get a date add function, okay, we are getting some output. So what is the data type of that output? Okay, what is the data type of date add function output? Date and time, right?
Yeah.
You are getting the output is a date and time, right? So you should tell date and time, correct? Date time. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, if I use date part function, then what is the data type of output? Integer. If I use a date add function, then
So date time.
date time. Okay, so you will need to remember this. Okay, date time. Okay, done. Okay, so can you try some queries on your own? I will. Okay. Okay, write down the question. Write down the question. Write a query. Write a query to find out or to display beginning date of current month. This is the question, sir. Okay. Write a query to display the beginning date of current month. Can you tell me, as per this question, what is the output that we supposed to display, sir?
1.
What is the output we need to display? 2023 10/01, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Current month is October. So October 1st date means October 1st only, correct? Beginning date. Okay. So what to do to get this one? What to do, sir? How much we have to subtract from today? Revati,
Today
21
is
days.
22.
21.
21.
today date is 22. Okay. If you subtract 21 days from today date, then we get
First.
October.
October.
First October.
October 1st. Okay. So select, I am writing the logic. Please see my screen. Okay. Date add off. Okay. What is the part type we supposed to use?
DD.
DD. Very good. Minus 21,
Minus
right?
21.
Okay.
Get date.
So do you
Get
think this
date.
logic is correct?
Mm.
This logic is correct based on the question. Okay. For today, if the date is always 22, then logic is okay. But do you think every day date will be the same?
No.
So this one we
No.
have to calculate dynamically, not in a static way. So this 21 will work only for today. So we can get a beginning date of current month. That's fine. But if I execute this same query for tomorrow, do you think this one will display the same October 1?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is the date it will display?
Second.
October 2nd. But what is our query? What is the question?
First day.
Always we
October.
need to display the beginning date of current month. So current date will be always changed. So you need to mention this integer dynamically, not in static way. Okay. So you tell me how to get minus 21 here. Okay, let me do one thing. Select date part of DD comma get date. So what is the output, sir? What is the output of this query?
20.
Today.
22.
22. Okay, right. Okay, so 22. So we will need to mention minus here. So we will get a minus 22, correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
minus 22 plus 1. Then what is the output?
Minus 21.
Minus 21. So I am going to copy this logic in place of minus 21. I am pasting. Okay, na sir. So please try to understand. Okay, for the date add function, for the date add function, as per the syntax, how many arguments we have to mention? Tell me. For the date add function, how many arguments we have to pass? Part type, integer, date.
Date.
Okay. So now you see this is a part type for date add function. This is a integer. This is a date, right?
Yeah.
This is a date. This is a integer. So what is the output of this part at runtime? Minus 21, correct? So for the date add function, you have to mention the integer. So integer, we are calculating it dynamically, correct? So now we are executing this query. So October 1st, correct? So if we execute this query, on any day, it will display always beginning date of current month. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please see the question first. Write a query to display the beginning date of current month. So you have actually mentioned in this place 21 in a static way. That will work only for today. It won't work for tomorrow and in another day. Okay. You need to write this logic. Okay. Please copy this logic. Anyone has any questions? on the integer part? Venugopal, clear? Venugopal,
Clear, sir.
okay. I will give you another question. Completed this logic? Prakash? Hello, Prakash?
Yes, sir.
You understand this logic?
Individually, I understand this above statement, but when you are combining here, still I'm trying to understand.
Okay, what is the syntax
The
for the
arguments.
dateadd function? What is the syntax for the dateadd function? So part
That-
type we have to mention, integer we have to mention, okay, given date we have to mention. So given date is nothing but a get date, right? So here it is a integer. This is a part type. So you will need to think it, okay, based on the question. Okay, so now let me give a one more question to you, to everyone. Okay, so completed, sir, this one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question, sir. Write a query to display the beginning date of current year. Okay, Manotna, are you there? No?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay. Now you tell me, let me give a control on my system. Okay. Where is your name? Okay. Yeah, you please write down the query for this one. You can write down the query in my system. You have the control on my system.
Okay, sir.
Select first. You have missed yes some. No, in the next line.
Wait, sir. Wait.
First ga. You have to display the
Yeah.
current.
Just a second,
Right.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying
Wait,
to
sir.
write.
Any work?
సార్ నేను రాస్తున్నాను సార్ డేటెడ్ ఆఫ్ అని అక్కడ టైప్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
Okay,
I
let
don't
me
know why.
give a control to someone then. Okay, it's okay. Let me give a control. Who will try in system? Mahesh? Wait.
Stuck అయిపోయింది.
Mahesh? Hello, Mahesh? Mahesh?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Can you try in my system?
Sir, my net is very slow, sir. Today I joining
I
it
can't.
through.
Your net is very slow, means I can't do anything. Okay. Who will try? Tell me. Sirisha? Venugopal? Sirisha, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Can you try the
Down
query in my
mobile, sir.
Then I can't do anything. Wait. Next, who will try? Tell me. Anisha? Hello, Anisha, are you there? So, why don't you speak with me? Prakash? Rohit Gupta. Who is that person? Rohit Gupta. There are 3 names total. Hello?
Sir, this is Jyoti here. Actually, my Zoom account is took a Rohit from my brother's name. I joined via phone.
Okay, can you try the query in my system? Okay, no one wants to
I
try, it
joined
seems.
via phone.
Hmm?
Joined via phone, sir. I can let you know.
Okay, Monica? Hello,
Yes.
Monica. Can you try the query? This is
Okay,
the
sir.
question.
Okay, sir.
Can I give a control?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Monica is good. Okay, right. Start. You want to save the space. That's why you are moving. Fast, guys. So what is the question? Please read the question.
Display of the beginning date of the current year. January 1st, it has to show.
Correct. 2023, January 1st, we need to display. Okay, good. So what is the syntax of date add? You tell me.
Date, part type, integer, date.
Mm, mhm.
Date
Okay,
add.
let me help you. Okay. I think you guys are not concentrating, it seems. Okay. So what is the output we need to display? What is the output we need to display? This is the output, right? We need to display. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to display the output date and time. Okay. So for displaying the date and time, which is the function we supposed to use? Which is the function we
Date time.
supposed to use? Date time. Okay. So we should use a date time. Date time or date add?
Data.
It adds.
How many days we will need to subtract from today?
290.
You don't want to tell her?
3 based on the year, sir. 365 or 364.
292,
Oh.
right?
5.
Sorry.
So let me check first. Okay, how many days are completed in this year, including today? So what is the function? dy, correct? What is the output of this query, sir?
295.
290. Okay, so we will mention 294. Okay, na, sir? So we are getting 2023 0101 means January 1st, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This part, what to do?
Put in time.
Same logic, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yes.
Prakash.
Yeah, now I understand, sir.
See, in place of part type, we have used a dy. So day of year. Okay. So in place of integer part, we have used a date part, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this one? It will return the
Day of the year.
Days of the year.
okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
plus.
So we are getting right.
Yeah.
You tell me, we have written a logic in a static way or a dynamic way?
Dynamic.
Dynamic.
It is dynamic.
Dynamic.
Correct. So we should write a logic in a dynamic way only. Can I give you a question or we don't want to write any queries? Can I give you one more question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you guys are not trying. Okay, but what is the point of giving the question? Tell me. Out of 15, at least if you try one person, I would have given more question. You are not interested or you are at least not trying, and also you have joined with the mobiles. Revati? Hello, Revati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, actually, I don't have the network, okay, at my village, so I came to the city. So tell me why you guys are not attending with laptop? Why you guys are attending with mobile? Simply tell me. Please enable the video. Hello. Let me stop first. Please enable the video. I request everyone, can you please enable the video? I know you guys are working at home, okay? Let me see everyone's place and face. Revati, you tell me first why you are not trying. Class is not clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
చూడు నువ్వు మాట ఉన్న తప్పులు మాట్లాడితే నేను స్క్రీన్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి పెడుతున్నా. నాగలక్ష్మి
Sir.
తమిళ
Yes, sir. No, sir.
కేరళ.
Just went to temple, sir. That's why.
Okay, so you are not interested to attend the class?
No, sir. Just I came and joined in laptop, sir.
Next, Kalyani, please enable the video.
Stop the recording.
No issues, let it. Kalyani, unmute yourself. Unmute. అర్థం కావట్లేదా క్లాసు?
కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ గా ఉంది సార్.
ఏం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చెప్పు.
ఎస్టర్డే వీడియో నేను వినలేదు సార్ సరిగా.
అవునా? అనుష అనిషా? అనుష.
Sir, yesterday I missed two classes I missed, sir, in between. That's why today I understood, but I need some clarity.
Okay, Bhavya, can you please enable the video? అర్థమవుతుందా అర్థం కావట్లేదు క్లాసు?
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
అర్థమవుతుంది.
మరి ఎందుకని కొరీస్ ఓన్ గా రాయలేకపోతున్నారు? నేను ఒక 2-3 రాసిన తర్వాత మీకు ఇస్తుంది. శిరీష AKKI, can you please enable the video? శిరీష, మీరు ఎట్లయితే నీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వను, మీరు ఇట్లా రాయకపోతే సొంతంగా రాయాలి. శిరీష, అర్థం కావట్లేదా క్లాసు?
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
మరి ఎందుకని క్వరీస్ రాయలేకపోతున్నావు? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ మహేష్, ఎనేబుల్ ద వీడియో ప్లీజ్. అర్థమవుతుందా అర్థం కావట్లేదా? మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నట్టుండవు మహేష్.
సార్ అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
ఎందుకని మరి రాయట్లా, రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లా క్లాస్ లో?
లేదు సార్, ఈ రోజు యాక్చువల్ గా నేను ఫెస్టివల్ కి ఇంటికి వచ్చాను. నెట్ చాలా స్లోగా ఉంది సార్. ఇక్కడ
బాబు నేను కూడా ఫెస్టివల్ కి ఇంటికి వచ్చా, అంత మాత్రం క్లాస్ వదిలిపెడుతున్నానా?
కాదు సార్, నేను అనేది ఇది యాక్సెస్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యాకే చాలా స్లోగా ఉంది సార్ మొబైల్. అది సార్ ప్రాబ్లం ఈరోజు.
ఓకే, మనోత్న. హలో మనోత్న, ఆర్ యు దేర్? Please unmute yourself and talk.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
What is the problem for you?
Sir, I'm able to understand, but yesterday class I missed, sir.
You are able to understand, but that will not work. When the interviewer will give you a question, you need to answer, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prakash, can you please enable the video? Hello, Prakash.
Yes, sir.
ఎట్లా అన్నప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మీరు మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు, అన్మ్యూట్ లోకి రండి అని అర్థం.
Yeah, I just unmuted.
Okay, right. What is the problem, sir?
Today, whatever you have explained, so while you're explaining, I understand, but I need to practice more. Date part and date add, I need to practice. Maybe tomorrow I may able to write queries because
Okay,
I'm
right.
confused.
Monica,
Sir, good morning, sir.
can you please up little bit?
Yes.
Right. Why you are not giving the response, or why you are not writing the queries on your own?
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఆఫీస్కి అటెండ్ అవుతూ క్లాస్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను సార్. కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇంకొంచెం నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఐ మీన్ ఐ నీడ్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ సమ్ మోర్ టైం. So class I'm able to understand, but
Hmm.
new queries ki I should practice some more time. So that's it.
I understand you are working, okay? Also you are attending, you don't have a time to practice, correct?
Yeah, enough time I think I'm not
Okay,
giving.
you will,
Yeah.
okay. You are not working for your office 24 hours, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I give my schedule, okay, you will not believe, okay, na? I am giving 3 hours training every day, okay? I am doing the job, okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. That's
Also, I
what
am spending the time on the family. Okay, these are the personal things, right? I can't disclose all these things, correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, okay, you are also have to
Uh,
manage your time accordingly, correct?
Yes, I should stretch some more time, sir, on this practice.
Right. Okay, because you already paid the fees for Ravi, right? You should not waste, right?
Yes.
So money is valuable, right? So according to that, time also valuable, correct? I hope I answer for all your queries or questions.
Yes, sir. I'll do so.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, let me speak with us. Rohita Gupta or some name, I don't know. What is Rohita Gupta? Can you please enable the video?
Sir, that is Jyoti here.
Jyoti
Actually,
Nerella.
yeah, I'm out actually.
Sudo every name I remember. Okay, right?
Yeah,
Please enable the video. What is the problem
sir.
for you? Tell me. Why you are attending with the mobile?
Yeah, today I'm in travel actually, so I'm in
Okay. So you are in tempo or?
No, I'm in bus actually.
Okay, Talli. Next, Venugopal. Hello, Venugopal. Unmute yourself, please.
Sir,
Why you are not giving the response?
అర్థమైంది ఇంకా వెంటనే చేయాలంటే స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వలేదు
స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి కదా?
అవును సార్.
నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తున్నాను, క్వశ్చన్ ముందు ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చేసి ఇస్తున్నానా?
ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చేస్తున్నాను.
రెండో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు చేయాలని నీకు అర్థం?
అవును సార్.
ఓకే సార్. Anisha. No, it is not clear. Your video is not clear. Okay. Time ledamma. Okay, another 10 minutes I will have to spend more here. Okay, I request everyone, can you please stop your videos? Okay, see my screen. I request everyone, can you please stop your video? Okay, see, please see the question. See, I have mentioned it. Okay, if I use a particular function, what is the data type of output? Okay, what is the data type of output? Okay, see, for the date part function, what is the output data type?
It's integer, sir.
Integer. Very good. Okay, if I use a date add function, what is the data type of output? Date type. ఈ 2 పాయింట్లు మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నారంటే మీరే సొంతంగా క్వరీస్ రాయొచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? సో సింటాక్స్ కూడా మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పా. ఓకే, సో ఒక్కళ్ళన్నా రాయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నేనేనను మీరు చెప్పే మాట. ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ మనోత్న.
To display beginning date of the current week.
Okay, beginning date of the current week. Okay, so సరే, మనకి ఈ రోజు డేట్ ఎంతమ్మా?
22.
ఓకే, రైట్, 22nd. సో ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఈ వీక్ లో నువ్వు రాసిన క్వరీని ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినా సరే బిగినింగ్ డేట్ 22nd అని రావాలి. అవునా కాదా? బిగినింగ్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ వీక్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ నేను 19th రోజున క్వరీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తున్నా. 19th రోజున అంటే నాకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏం రావాలి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి?
15 రావాలి సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్, సూపర్. అది అట్లా రావాలా? రైట్. సో సపోజ్ నేను ఇక్కడ 10th తీసుకున్నా. ఇన్పుట్ అంటే గివెన్ డేట్ 10th of October అని తీసుకున్నా. ఓకే, అలాంటి సినారియోలో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి మనకి ఏం రావాలి అవుట్పుట్?
8.
ఓకే, సో క్లియర్.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఇక్కడ 10 తీసుకుందాం సార్. ఓకే, కరెంట్ డేట్ కాకుండా ఓకే ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ డేట్కి బిగినింగ్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వీక్ అని డిస్ప్లే చేయాలి. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
రైట్. సో ఇది గివెన్ డేట్ అనుకుందాం. అంటే గెట్ డేట్ ప్లేస్లో మనం దీన్ని వాడాలి. ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ డేట్కి ముందు మనం డే ఆఫ్ వీక్ కనుక్కుందాం. ఏమంటారు? హలో, వామ్మో,
Yes,
మీరు
sir.
ఒకళ్ళు మాట్లాడారు.
Yes, sir.
సో
Yes,
10th
sir.
ఆఫ్
Wait.
అక్టోబర్
Yes,
అన్నట్టు.
sir.
అంటే దీనికి డే ఆఫ్ వీక్ ఎంత చెప్పండి సార్? 1 2
Third,
3.
sir.
ఇంత కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా ఉందన్నమాట నేను చెప్పేది మీకు. ఓకే, రైట్. సపోజ్ నేను 12th తీసుకున్నాను అనుకో, డే ఆఫ్ వీక్ ఎంత వస్తుంది?
5.
5, sir.
అంతే. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ డేట్కి డే ఆఫ్ వీక్ కావాలి. ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఏ ఫంక్షన్ వాడాలి?
double.
రైట్.
Date.
సెలెక్ట్
Date add.
డేట్ పార్ట్. డేట్ యాడ్ కాదండి.
Date part. D double.
సో we will get 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have verified also by opening this calendar. సో 10th అనేది తీసుకుందాము. సో వీక్ డే ఆఫ్ వీక్ కావాలి మనకి పర్టిక్యులర్ డేట్కి. సో మనకి వీక్ అనేది సండేతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. సో సండే, మండే, ట్యూస్డే అంటే 3 వచ్చింది కదా కరెక్ట్ గాని. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ డేట్కి బిగినింగ్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ వీక్ ఎంత? 8. అంటే ఈ 10లో నుంచి ఎంత సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి? అదే సారీ, ఈ డే ఆఫ్ వీక్ లో నుంచి ఎంత సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి? 2 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి.
2, sir.
ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 1, అవునా కాదా? ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది అవుట్పుట్? -2, అవునా కదా?
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
యాక్చువల్ క్వరీ రాసుకుందాం. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్ క్వరీ రాద్దాం. ఓకే, మనకి అవుట్పుట్ డేట్ అండ్ టైం కాబట్టి డేట్ యాడ్. ఓకేనా? జాగ్రత్తగా ఎన్ని డేస్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి? డిడి. నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పండి సార్.
We need to take that one, sir. Yes.
ఇంటీజర్ ప్లేస్ లో ఇది పెడుతున్నామండి. మీకు ఆ ఇంటీజర్
Yes, sir.
క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయటం ముందు చెప్పేసా.
Get date.
కాదు, గెట్ డేట్
Get
కాదు,
date.
వాళ్ళు కస్టమ్ డేట్ ఇచ్చారు కదా. అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూద్దాం ఈ క్వరీని. ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్?
8, sir.
ఇదిగో ఈ డేట్కి మనం బిగినింగ్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ వీక్ కనుక్కోవాలనుకున్నాం. 8 వచ్చింది. సరే, 19th పెడదాం. ఓకేనా? 19th కనుక ఇన్పుట్ డేట్ ఇస్తే ఎంత రావాలి అవుట్పుట్ మనకి?
15, sir.
15 రావాలి. సరే, ఓకే, 19th అని ఇక్కడ పెడదాం ఊరిక. ఇదే లాజిక్. ఎంత రావాలి?
15.
వర్క్ అవుతుంది కదండి.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
సో ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి రాద్దాం. ఓకే, అంటే ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ఏమి రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు నేను? గెట్ డేట్. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది అవుట్పుట్? ఈ రోజు డేట్ ఇచ్చాను
22,
ఇన్పుట్.
sir. 20.
ఈ రోజే
22.
స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఈ రోజే ఇన్పుట్ డేట్. సో ఈ రోజు డేటే వస్తుంది అనమాట. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, డన్. సో ఎనీవన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ క్లియర్ స్టిల్ లెట్ మీ నో. కంప్లీటెడ్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy the query. Okay, you tell me for the general question, you are here to copy or you are here to think?
Think, sir.
To
Manotna?
think, sir. To think, sir.
Okay, so you have to work on that part. Okay, going forward.
Okay. Okay,
Next question. Okay, completed this one. Next question, sir. Write a query. Write a query to display the day of week for your date of birth. Write a query to display the day of week for your date of birth. Please read the question carefully and then you think and then you put your pen on the notebook or try in the system. These functions are very important, sir. Okay, so it is which function we supposed to use? Tell me. Select. Hello. What is the function we supposed to use? Date part of? Date part of?
Date part.
DW, comma, you should enter your date of birth within single code. Okay, na sir? Antena kada? Chappandi
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so you will get a one number. Based on that, you will get to know on which week name. Okay, you born. Correct?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Oh, very nice. Okay, next. You will have to display the. Okay, just write down the question. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display the end date of current month. End date of current month. Please read the question, Manotna. Anusha, can you read the question?
Right. Great.
Write a query to display the end date of current month.
Current month. Okay, what is the current month?
October.
Okay, in October, right now we are in October. So what is the last date for the October?
31st.
Okay, so now you are clear. Okay, with the output, what we are going to display. Okay, suppose, okay, let's say today date is 2023-02, okay, 10. In this case, what would be the output? See, today date is, for example, February 10, sir. Okay, what is the end date of this month?
28, sir.
8.
Okay, so
28.
depends on the month number. Depends on the month number. Okay, end date will be changed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir, for that. Okay, so our logic also should be dynamic, correct?
Yes.
Our logic also should
Yes,
be
sir.
dynamic. Okay, you tell me for every month we will be having the last date is 31?
No.
Also.
No, sir.
No. Okay, for 1 month, for example, for January month 31, for February 28 or 29. Next, March 31st, April 30, like that, right? Depends on the month number. Last date will be changed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. So what we will do is, for example, today is 2023, 10/22. For this particular date, I will add 1 month. Okay, I am giving the hint for you to try. Okay, during the practice. Okay, if I add 1 month for the given date, what is the output, sir?
November 22nd.
Okay, so to get this output, okay, we can write a simple query, yes or no? Tell me, sir, please. So once we, okay, you understand, right, how to get this output?
Yes, sir.
It is very simple, sir. Select date add.
Date tag.
We need to add 1 month, comma 1, comma get date.
Get it.
Maunika, clear or not clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
query.
Yes, sir.
So we are good. Okay, so this part is completed. So for this particular date, how many days we have to subtract? 22 days we have to subtract. Correct?
Yes.
22 days we have to subtract. Okay. So to get this one, this is the query. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to get this 22? How to get 22?
Date part function.
Date part. Revati, you are on the form now. Okay, DD. Okay, so tell me what is the output of this one? 22, correct? So date part function is expecting only 2 arguments. One is a part type and another one is date, correct? Hello?
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are able to get a 22 here. Okay. So next, so actual query we will write. Select date add of DD comma minus 22 comma జాగ్రత్త మారుస్తా అన్ని మీరు ఫస్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడం కోసం ఇట్లా రాస్తున్నా. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి అవుట్పుట్ ఏందనేది. దీనికి ఏమొచ్చింది సార్ అవుట్పుట్? అక్టోబర్ 31 అంటే కరెంట్ మంత్ కు సంబంధించిన ఎండ్ డేట్. అవునా కాదా? ఇక్కడ ఏమేం మార్చాలి చెప్పండి ఫాస్ట్ గా. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పర్టికులర్ డేట్ కి లాజిక్ ఆల్రెడీ రాసాం కదా, ఇదే కదా? దీన్ని కాపీ పేస్ట్ కొడదాం అండి. రైట్, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూద్దాం. 1 by 1 అలా చేయండి. ఓకేనా? మారలేదు అవుట్పుట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ 22 ప్లేస్ లో కూడా మళ్ళీ మనం లాజిక్ ని డైనమిక్ గా తీసుకురావాలి. ఇదేనా కాదా? రైట్, అది కథ. ఓకే, దీన్ని ఇక్కడ అది పెట్టుకొని నీట్ గా ఫార్మాటింగ్ బాగా నీట్ గా చేయాల. సో ఇది కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందో లేదో చూడండి. సింటాక్స్ ప్రకారంగా ఉందా చెప్పండి సార్. ఓకే, మైనస్ పెట్టాను. ఓకే, వర్క్ అవుతున్నట్టేగా? సో ఇదంతా మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసం చెప్పాను. ఇది డైరెక్ట్ క్వరీ అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? సరే, కాపీ చేయండి. జస్ట్ ఫర్ టుడే డేట్ కింద 1 month ని యాడ్ చేశా. ఆ 1 month లో నుంచి ఆ డేస్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశాను అనమాట. అంతేనా జరిగింది? Okay, so we have completed today class. Okay, we will. Tomorrow is the festival, is it or no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then we will take off tomorrow. Okay, we will have a class day after tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, due to the festival, tomorrow will be the holiday. Okay, again we will meet on Tuesday. So in this week we have covered 1 class, correct? Actually 2 holidays came, right? On Thursday and Friday. So today we have covered one class. Okay, one more class we will cover in the next week. Okay, na sir?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay,
all.
sir.
Thank you all. Please do practice. Okay. So if you are doing practice, you will remember, okay, at which, okay, situation we can use function. ఓకే, అది తెలియాల. ఎప్పుడు ఏ ఫంక్షన్ వాడాలనేది తెలియాలి. సింటాక్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేర్చుకుంటే కుదరదు. ఏ సినారియోలో ఏ ఫంక్షన్ వాడాలి అది కనుక ఐడియా వస్తేనే నువ్వు రియల్ టైం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ బై హార్ట్ చేసి సింటాక్స్ బై హార్ట్ చేసి సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాస్తే వర్కౌట్ కాదు. ఓకే, ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఏ ఫంక్షన్ వాడాలి, ఏం అవుట్పుట్ రాగలుగుతుంది ఆ ఫంక్షన్ వాడుతుంది అని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయగలగాల. ఓకేనా సార్?
Okay, sir.
రైట్, 2 more functions we have to finish అండి. What are those functions? ఈ రెండే
Date
అయిపోయినాయి.
different date name.
ఓకే, ఇవి మన ట్యూస్డే చూద్దాం. సరేనా సార్?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.
Thank you, sir.